Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between lush green hills, life was simple but beautiful. However, this peace was slowly fading. The villagers, who once lived as a close-knit family, had started quarreling. They fought over the river's water, grazing lands, and even trivial matters like the size of their gardens. Laughter had disappeared, replaced by anger and bitterness. An old man named Keshav, the village elder, watched this with a heavy heart. He had seen the village grow and thrive, and now he saw it tearing itself apart. Determined to restore harmony, he called everyone to the village square one morning. As the villagers gathered, still grumbling about their disputes, Keshav held up a bundle of sticks, tied tightly with a rope. His frail hands trembled slightly as he spoke. "I have a challenge for you. Whoever can break this bundle will win a bag of gold coins." Curiosity replaced their anger as one by one, villagers stepped forward to try their luck. They pulled, twisted, and even stomped on the bundle, but no one could break it. Frustration grew until Keshav smiled gently and untied the bundle. Handing each villager a single stick, he said softly, "Now, try breaking your stick." The sticks snapped effortlessly in their hands. Silence fell over the crowd as Keshav's wise eyes met theirs. When bound together, the sticks are unbreakable, but alone, they are weak, just like us. Divided, we will crumble. United, we are strong. Tears welled in the villagers' eyes as guilt and an understanding washed over them. They realized their unity was their strength, and their division had been their downfall. From that day, they set aside their differences, rebuilding their village and their bonds. Peace returned, and so did the laughter, and they never forgot Keshav's heartfelt lesson. True strength lies in togetherness,